Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video too, and if you're having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015, if you need to find where your horn, fuse and relay are located, where you can find them, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered guys in this video today, so let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the horn, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Explorer right here. What we guys need to do, we need to find a fuse box that's a little hidden. We need to open the driver door, look under the dash in the footwell compartment, behind the parking brake paddle. If you look up under the dash on the left side, you will see a black cover like this one. Squeeze these two tabs, open that cover, and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, what we need to check, we need to check one fuse specifically. We'll talk about the relay in a little bit. In that row of fuses, that's fuse 1 through 18, then you come this way, 19, 20, 21. You don't count that relay, that's relay 49, and then fuse 22. The 20 amp fuse, that's your horn fuse that you will need to check. What about relay? You don't have one. This fuse is known as a horn relay fuse. The relay part is practically controlled by the BCM, the body control module guys, so that's all we need to check. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated guys, and even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.